Okay, so this equation needs to be simplified. dc over dt is equal to, what we can do is we can remove these fractions by multiplying by 5 each of these terms in the parentheses, and then that 5 will be absorbed in this constant of proportionality. So multiplying by 5, that will be 250, and then that will be C, and that will be 160, and then that will be 4. And then from here 4 will be taken out common, and then 4 will be also absorbed into this constant K. So it will be 250 minus C over 40 minus C. So now we can take these 250 minus C and 40 minus C terms on the other side. So it will be dc over 250 minus C, 40 minus C, and then k dt. So now the variables have been separated, but here we can use the partial fractions. Okay, so if you apply the partial fractions, so then you will get this 1 over 210. That will be minus 1 over 250 minus C plus 1 over 40 minus C k dt by partial fractions. And then I can take 210 on the other side. So it will be 250 minus C plus 1 over 40 minus C dc equal to 210 k dt. So we can now integrate both sides. So this will be log 250 minus C. The negative sign from here from the minus C will be combined with negative sign outside, so it will be plus. And this negative sign of minus C will come out from here. Then this will be 40 minus C. So it will be integration of this will be 210 k t plus C. So it will be combined 250 minus C over 40 minus C, it is equal to 210 kt plus C. And by exponentiation, it will be 250 minus C over 40 minus C is equal to e power 210 k t plus the constant, or in other words it will be C times e power 210 k t. Okay, so now we know that for this reaction at time 0 there was no reaction, so that means C was 0. Yeah, I think there are two terms of C over here, and in fact C is the compound C over here, this over here. This C is the constant, so maybe I can represent it by C1. This over C, this C is the variable, but this C is constant, so I can represent it as C1. So so 250 minus 0 over 40 minus 0 is equal to C1 e power 210 k times 0. So from here we can find that C1, the constant of integration, is equal to, so this whole term is 1, and then 250 over 40, that means 25 by 4. So C1, the constant of integration, is 25 by 4. So in this case, the equation will be 250 minus C divided by 40 minus C is equal to 25 by 4 e power 210 kt. So now the second, we know that after 10 minutes 30 gram of compound was created. So T10 C30. So 250 minus 30 over 40 minus C is equal to 25 by 4 is equal to e power 210 kt. So from here we can find that the value of 210 k is equal to, using the calculator, it will be equal to 0.1258. 0.1258. Okay, so later on we can use the value of 0.1258 for 210k. So instead of the value of k, you can use the value of 210k because it is being given in the equation. Okay, so now we have to find the value of x after time 15 minutes. So again, we can solve it in terms of x, that means actually c. We have to find the value of c at time is equal to 15 minutes. So we can just input the values over here. 250 minus c divided by 40 minus c is equal to 25 by 4 e power 210k. 210k, the value is 0.1258, and c at the value of time is 15 minutes. So we need to do some calculations by using the calculator. I will not show those steps over here. You can do by yourself. So if you will do that, the value of c will be 34.78 gram. So that means if the amount of compound created will be 34.78 gram after 15 minutes. After 10 minutes it was 30 gram. After 15 minutes it will be 34.78 gram.